It's me, Elizabeth Parker, and I'm just getting on here, one, to give a bit of a testimony update, not a bit of, but definitely a testimony update with everything that has been going on with the harassment lawsuit that I am still dealing with when it comes to Cece Winans, Priscilla Turner, and Jasmine Ray Love, and the court system. And it has been for lack of a better way of saying it, a wild ride that unfortunately has dealt with corruption. And I, being a firm believer in God by biblical definition, I want to continue to honor Him in all that I say and do as I continue to pursue justice in the midst of ongoing abuse and harassment that I'm still dealing with. Otherwise, I'm not doing this entire sexual harassment civil lawsuit just for the heck of it. No, it's not a fun process at all. And so I'm specifically getting on here right now because I have posted updates about what has been going on. And it's been a while since I've posted an update. And definitely I haven't posted an update since I've dealt with so much corruption, even in our legal system. And I say this from a perspective of nothing is new when it comes to things that are happening on our earth, the way that they're either supposed to happen or the way that they're not supposed to happen. That being said by somebody who I, was opening up to about, of course, the details of this lawsuit. And I believe that firmly as well. The Bible tells us that nothing is new when it comes to the things that are happening on this earth, when it deals with the just and the unjust. So all that being said, and specifically, I want to be sure that I'm not forgetting who's in control and also declaring that on a regular basis. And I do believe without a shadow of a doubt that God is in control in the midst of all that's going on, as ugly and as corrupt as it can be and it can get. And the verse that I was thinking about, that it slipped my mind verbatim what it was, but the Word of God tells us nothing is new under the sun. But it also tells us that we have overcome by the blood of the Lamb and the word of our testimony. And I refuse to be a part of enabling evil. So that being said, I'm going to give a bit of an update, and I'm going to try and keep it brief because I'm already 3 minutes into this particular video and I don't want this to be too long. But I'm going to give a brief update on what has and hasn't been happening when it comes to